And now one of my most favorite features of all of Google is the Google form. This allows you to create on-the-fly surveys that students can complete, and the data is saved and stored as a spreadsheet which you can view, and then you can also actually evaluate some of the data because Google produces some fantastic graphs and charts for it. And if you're interested in finding out more about these, please give me a shout. But I'm going to show you how to embed a Google form into Firefly, having made one in Google Drive. So I'm in my Google Drive, I'm logged on as my test user. Click on Firefly Docs, and here's my form. This is a form aimed I think at teachers, asking whether they were interested in what sort of device to use. And I've made up my form. It's simply got one question. It's nice and easy. I've got a theme already set up. Let's have a look at it, what it looks like live. It's a nice pretty theme, one simple question that you have to answer and press submit. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to embed this form in my Firefly page. So I'm going to close this. And I'm now back at the original. So how do I go about embedding? Well, I click on File, and surprise, surprise, down at the bottom, there's a link to embed. Click on it, and I get the embed code. I also get some custom sizes that I could change. I'm happy with those sizes. So all I want to do is click on the code, and it selects the whole thing. I want to then copy it, Control and C or Command and C if you're on a Mac device, and then all I need to do is go into my Firefly page. I've got one set up here. I'm going to go into Edit. Now, because I've copied the embed code, I don't go to the link. Instead, I go to the embed icon, and I simply just paste the code in. There it is there. And notice that I can actually go back and change the height and the width from here if I want, but I'm okay. Click on Done, and you can see there is my embedded document. If I click Done again, you can see it as it should look, and I can scroll down to there. Now, because I've only got one question, I might actually want to extend this embedded feature. So let me show you how you do that. Go back to Edit Page, click to highlight, select the little wheel over there, and then I can just simply click in here, alter that value. Let's choose 800 and press Done. And now if I press Done, hopefully, is it a little bit bigger? Yeah, there we go. You can see all of it that's in there. So that's how to embed a Google form. And in the next video help sheet, I'll show you how to embed a Google document, a Google slideshow presentation, and a Google spreadsheet.